And you've had an immensely capable teacher who has shown you a pathway. Now you know how it's done. I'm going to encourage you to be consistent and to practice the principles and philosophies that you have learned.
This is simply public speaking except through songs, right? And I was trained by the best. Palakpakan naman tayo para kay Coach Lloyd and the Team CPS. So from now on, be it a warning to all, if you will be inviting me to a karaoke session, may kaagaw na po kayo sa mic. Mula sa puso, maraming salamat, Coach Lloyd and Team CPS. Thank you.
My certified public speaker journey is like meeting my long-lost friend. It is an overwhelming feeling to meet someone, especially a dear friend, after a long time. And now that I found him, I will never let him go.
Sa 10 gabi po na natutulog ako ng puyat, pero kinabukasan naman, bumabangon ako ng may mas malawak na pananaw sa buhay dahil sa mga makabuluhang kwentong napakinggan ko. Most importantly, I forged ahead. The promise of becoming a CPS focuses on self-discovery. It allows me to realize my strengths and to conquer my own demons. It allows me to reassess my path and my purpose.
Sabi nga, certified public speaker na tayo. So, para sa akin, if you can speak, you can influence. And if you can influence, you can change lives. Pero, pinakamalaking real talk po. Pinakamalaking real talk bago ko tapusin. Napakahusay po ni Coach Lloyd bilang mentor, bilang teacher. Sobrang saludo po ako sa kanya. Maraming salamat po, Sir Lloyd. Ma'am, thank you so much po.
I have learned that public speaking is not just really a show of intelligence. Hindi kailangang super genius ka, but rather, you must know how to create an authentic connection to your audience, make them understand your topic, and let them enjoy their time while listening.
So in the past few weeks, marami nagbago sa akin. I was like, siguro 30% more confident, 40% more effective. Mga ganun. So, and now I know I'm a 100% certified public speaker. Thank you very much.
And I'm happy that I found this course or program.
Thank you so much. Malaki pong bagay yung nagawa ng CPS.
Hindi lang dapat magaling kang mag-present. Dapat alamin mo kung ano dapat alam mo kung paano mo i-connect yung sarili mo sa audience.
And I think po sa mga next naming events na ako yung mag-handle as host and event organizer pa rin. I will do my very best pa from the best that I did before.
So ayun po, nagpapasalamat po ko unang-una po kay Coach Lloyd or Sir Lloyd.
Yes!
Ang pambansang inspirasyon.
Ang saya lang po kasi for the first time, pinakita sa akin na Sir Lloyd that I've been doing the wrong thing all my life.
And ang success din po, hindi po nakadepende kahit kanina. Nakadepende po ito sa second leader, which is you.
You are so wonderful teacher. And accept my heartfelt, thankful wishes for you, kindness and help.
Pinarealize sa atin na kailangan mo talaga o kailangan natin ma-discover kung ano yung meron tayo. At hindi po pwede siya i-keep lang, itago. We need to utilize it, share it, di ba?
All right. So, in behalf of the Public Speaking Institute, congratulations to everyone. Cheers!
Cheers, everyone.
Congratulations!
Congratulations,
everyone.